How to mass delete tabs on iPhone. To get started, you first need to open the Safari application on your iPhone. Then, you need to tap onto this icon on the bottom right corner to view multiple tabs. Right here, you will see the total number of tabs that are open on your iPhone. Now, tap on the cross sign at the top of each tab to close. That's one way to get rid of unwanted tabs. On the other hand, you can delete the tabs at once. Now, go back to your homepage and open up Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on the Apps option. Once you are on this page, find the Safari application from here and open it. Then, scroll down and look for the option Clear History and Website Data. And then, tap on it. After that, toggle on the option Close All Tabs. Now, tap on Clear History to delete all the tabs at once. Here you go, you have successfully deleted all the tabs from your iPhone. By following these easy steps, you can mass delete tabs on iPhone.